My name is Michaela Reedy. This is my case study presentation for business continuity plans and how they are beneficial to businesses. The business I chose specifically is called Canty Technology Consulting. So who is Canty Technology Consulting Firm? We'll get started here. Who is Canty Technology Consulting? Canty Technology Consulting is an IT solutions and consulting firm located in South Carolina. It is founded by Willis Canty. As seen on Canty Technology's website, they are determined to provide the best IT solutions and consulting in Charleston, the Southeast, and beyond. Our success over the years has grown by always putting our clients first. So I'm going to take you to their website just to check it out. It's nice to get a visual. So here's their website. They're founded in 2007. They're determined to provide the best IT solutions and consulting in Charleston, Southeast, and beyond. And there's even a little video on Willis Canty, the co-founder of Canty Technology Consulting. So you can check that out when you get a chance. But let's get back to the slideshow. So here we go. What happened to Canty Technology? In September of 2013, lightning struck South Carolina and hit the two-story building that housed Canty Technology Consulting. Though the building did not burn down, it did have negative impacts. It totally fried the network infrastructure, wires, outlets, all the works within the building, and which resulted in a loss of data and total loss of network information. So really not good for when that's the critical functions of a technology firm. So, did Willis Canty have a business continuity plan? Fortunately, yes, he did. Willis Canty began implementing a business continuity plan roughly 5 years before the incident happened. So he lucked out there. His business continuity plan required him to back up all data and customer information to a remote location. He had scheduled continual backups of information to ensure accuracy and that all information remained up to date. This was really important that he did it routinely, because if he only did it up to a certain year or even a month and lost a month to a year's worth of information, that really wouldn't have been beneficial for him. He really would have still been out when the lightning hit his building. So thought it was pretty important that he chose to ensure that it was continually backing up to a remote location. So the result of having a business continuity plan really benefited Canty Technology Consulting. It helped them to get through the unexpected incident. So all customer data and networking systems were still available at the remote location. The location he backed up to even offered him a conference room for him and his employees to continue their work days and their processes, since the building they were at originally that the lightning storm hit was currently out of service and undergoing construction. So that was pretty great too. But overall, the best part is none of his customers felt the effects of the storm, which is really great for Canty Technology because they really seek to serve their clients. So what could have happened? Canty Technology could have lost all of their information and wouldn't have had backed it up to any outside source. All their information would have been gone if he didn't have a continuity plan. They would have also been out of the building to continue their daily processes. The customers would have felt the effects, resulting in overall loss of business. He would have lost customers, lost business, and it wouldn't have ended very well for him. And it would have been much harder for Canty Technology to have overcome the crisis without a plan in hand. So fortunately, he did have a business continuity plan and implemented it. Willis Canty emphasizes the importance of a business continuity plan within the article I read, which is located at the end in my references. So if you want to take a peek at it, it's pretty interesting with more details. But he states, if we didn't take continuity of operations seriously, if we had our client servers on site, didn't back up data, we wouldn't be in a business right now. So pretty drastic. He says it outright, wouldn't be in business if you didn't have a business continuity plan. So pretty important. Overall, as an organization, you have to plan for the what if. I'm sure Willis Canty didn't ever think a lightning storm was going to hit his building, but fortunately, he backed up his information and his client's information, which overall turned out really good for him. And I think this is a good lesson for us all to be able to plan for the unknown, and especially for businesses. You got to think outside the box and think of the what ifs. What if this happens? Am I prepared? And how can I plan for the unexpected? So that's all I got. Thank you.